Bonjour.
Hey guys.
Hello.
We have a new friend on stage. He is as iconic as we are.
How come? I thought I was the most iconic.
No, you are not the most, but let our friend introduce himself.
Hello. Like you too, I'm a child of the vision of my founders for mass production so that each family could have a car.
Now I'm discovering that there are plenty of cars like me. I'm not unique.
You are not unique, but very important. W, please carry on.
My founders, both technically and politically, wanted each family to have a car. So they designed an inexpensive car.
Inexpensive?
We already heard that.
But the Second World War delayed the launch. After the war, despite shortages, production went gangbuster and growth exported outside of Germany. I think I was sold in every country and produced in many. The thing which is unique with me is that I had such a lifespan that I catered to many different customers.
We did too.
You did too, but they were still the same kind of people, upper middle class. I would say, for example, I catered to hippies.
Hip what? Did you mean hippomobile?
Come on, listen, please.
In the 60s,
I was no longer alive but in museums.
in the 60s, there were movements for peace and love, more freedom, and I was the car of choice to represent that freedom. With my friends, the Volkswagen bus and the van. Also, many have tinkered with my chassis to make new cars, such as the Dune buggy, kit cars, and others.
This is cool. Nobody has tinkered with me beside a few utilitarian models. My fame comes from having been in the trenches and mud splash during World War I.
Nobody tinkered with my design because I was very well built. And Henry Ford wanted one model, the Model T black, like the British black tea. Ha ha ha.
Let's speak about production numbers.
Me, 15 millions.
21.5 million.
Less than 10,000.
Woohoo!
What about birth year? I start first. 1909.
1908.
With all due respect, you're old. 1938.
Who has been a movie star?
Me.
Okay, carry on.
I have been in a lot of black and white silent movies. Laurel and Hardy is likely the most famous.
I have been in a lot of color movies with sound. The most notorious, likely Herbie.
I cannot say that I have been in a lot of movies, but I am the key character of a YouTube series that you are currently watching. Well, it is time to get a round of applause from the audience for our contribution to the society. See you next time for our next travel in time and meeting new cars. W, one last word.
Alles klar. Tschüss.